share my screen. So everything is set up. Just let me share my screen. Yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen. Okay, so we are going to create this, and this is going to be a very big project. Actually, a lot of things are there. So like this, the features and all. So we are going to create it with HTML, CSS and Bootstrap also. So this is a very cool looking site, and it is a complete site, not the small HTML, CSS things which I have done earlier. And see this has got this overlay effect also. See this thing, and cool user review and cool this. Okay, so all these things are there. So let's start it, because I think this will take me more than 2 hours to create. Okay, and so let's get started. Okay, okay, so we'll start. mm, okay, let me open my terminal, Windows terminal. Okay, so I have not even set up that. Get bash. Let me go to the YouTube folder, and let me mkdir travel website, travel website. Index.html. I hope everyone is able to see me. Style.css. Okay, okay, so we are going to have some images also in the folder. So it's better that I will have those images. Okay, so those images, okay, I have already created it actually. So anyways, everybody creates a project, so those images I will have. So these images are there, so I'm going to use these images. Okay, so let me close it, and the images have come. And let's get started. Index.html. Let me increase the font size so that it is viewable in mobile. Okay, one minute. Actually, I will open my mobile also and check that whether it is viewable in a good way or not. Okay, let me just 1 second. We will start it. As I have told, this is going to be a very big project, and it will take more than 2 hours. So let me check once that everything is working fine. Okay, 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 yeah, everything is working fine. I think, yeah, everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. I was just checking in my mobile in my channel that everything is working fine. Okay, so let's get started. And here I am going to do this. Why it is not coming? Okay, so like this, and it is travel site. Travel site I will give. And also let me link the css, style.css I have done. Okay, that is good. And then save it. Style is star, margin of 0, and padding of 0. Save it. Okay, so link is already been done. Okay, link is already been done. Title is travel website, and Let me have Bootstrap also in the project, so that we'll, and Bootstrap is very easy to get, and we'll just have the Bootstrap. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's have the font awesome also, Bootstrap and font awesome, both of them we are going to have. So I will have both of them, Bootstrap and font awesome. So because font awesome also we are going to use, so I will have both of them. And please see this whole live stream. As I've told you, it's going to be a very big live stream, and sorry for the delay again. Okay, so the first thing which we are going to do is section dot header is there, and dot container is there, and save it. Okay, and now, okay, let me do one thing. Let me go live also. Okay, open with live server. Okay, so it is coming like this. Nothing is there anyway, so it will come like this only. Okay, so let me go back, and so this header, so let us first give the style for this header. So we are going to create the header first, dot header, and then height is 100 vertical height, and background is linear gradient RGBA 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.6 comma RGBA, like this again. It is 0.6. So we are going to have a light blackish kind of a thing, which is actually very cool to show that light blackish kind of thing, this linear gradient. And we are going to use a banner URL, and images, and banner 1.jpg, and no repeat. Save it, and let us see whether it is coming. Yeah, it is coming, but cover and all those things are not good, so let us make it good. And background size is cover, and background position is center, and background attachment is fixed. Save it. Now it is looking much more better. Okay, now we are going to have an image now. img, and images, crypto.png, and logo, button, and it will be login button. And here it will have a class equal to login as btn. Save it. Now it is showing like this. Okay, and so now we have to fix it. Okay, so for that, okay, before fixing it, let us add some more things also here. And like there will be a, so this is the final image. So there this so these two things are like that. So this let's add this also, it will be much better. Travel across the globe, and subscribe. Okay, these two things I am going to add, and then it will be h1 travel across the globe. And paragraph tag is, let me give, let me self promote myself a bit. Okay, subscribe to the web dev channel. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the web dev channel. So like this, and these two things I am going to give, and it will be shown like this. Okay, so now the main thing is that now we have to add it. Okay, so here padding top is 30 px. Okay, and text align is center, and color is #FFF. My enter is not working perfectly. Okay, now dot header img, width is of 170 px, and float left. See, so it is taking shape. Okay, so let us do a bit more. And now this login button I'll give dot login button, and width is of 100 px, padding is of 8 px 0, and outline is of none. Okay, so actually this is a bootstrap button, so we have to use a lot of important class to, if we want to overwrite it. Okay, so that's the one of the reason we have to use the important class. And border radius is 50 px, and background is transparent, color is FFF, and float, we are using this float right thing a lot, right? So this is the alternative way to do it. So see, it is moving quite good. It's moving quite good. Let me make it a bit smaller. Actually, it's such a big, I have a wide screen, so it doesn't fit well. Like this much is perfect. Okay, so and we have to come here like this, we have to do it. Okay, okay, so next we have to move this to the bottom, this h1 and all. So this header and h1 and header and p. So dot header and h1, and padding top is 200 px, and padding bottom is 0 px, and font size is 55 px. Save it, and now it has came down because we have pushed it down. Okay, and then header p, margin 18 px 0 px. Okay, so now it's looking much better. Next we have to add this search button. So this search button we have to add, so let's add the search button. Okay, so after this p, I'm here, and then div. So we are going to use a lot of bootstrap also here, because we're using bootstrap in put group and input dot form control. Okay, the form control is a class, and let us have a placeholder also, so that we don't have to write placeholder equal to search country or city dot input group a p p e n d input group append, again a bootstrap thing, and then button dot input group text and dot button input group text, and this button class I'm going to have search, and let me have this type also as button. Okay, so like this, let me save it, and as usual it will be looking not good, so it is extending all through, and we have to now fix it. Okay, so we will target this input group, and width is of 90%, and max width is of 500 px, and border radius, okay, I don't know why it is important is coming. Sometime I have this indices, this say this tab 9 you're seeing, I have this tab 9, so it is some AI sort of a thing. It is on top of this amit which comes with VS Code, so it also auto suggests, and it is good, but sometimes it is bad, like this I would suggest anything. Border radius is 30 px. Backgrounds, it's learned from my coding style and do all these things, so I am using it for quite some time. Margin is auto, and padding is 2 px. So see, now it is showing much better. Okay, and now we'll do for this form control, we have, so we'll do for this. Maybe increase the font size a bit more, because I'm seeing on my mobile and it is not showing that good. Okay, it's better now, I think. Form control, so we are going to override a lot of bootstrap thing now. Border 0, and that is important, and border radius, and that is 30 px, 0 0 30 px, important, and margin is 2 px, and box shadow is none, important. Save it. Now see, now it is looking so good. Only this thing we have to change, this search thing we have to change from there to here. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so this input group text, I'm going to choose input group text, and then width is of 100 px. So we are not able to even complete the first thing. As I told, it will take some time, it will take a lot of time to create this. I hope it will not take more than 2 hours. Linear gradient hash 00 ff7e comma hash 1f3d90, like this. Background image, so linear gradient I put, and The linear gradient will see it is looking so good, linear gradient, but we have to make it round and all those things we have to do. Border is 0 and important, and color is hash fff and important, and padding is 0.25 px. Everywhere I'm adding important. The reason is that we are overriding Bootstrap. Okay, so that is sometimes a problem also. You have to override Bootstrap. Okay, border radius. So sometimes it's causes more problem than it solves. And I have seen this problem in production projects also. People think they will take Bootstrap and everything will be easy, but at the end of the day, the project becomes very complicated because of Bootstrap. Then you have to override everything and all. Box shadow is none. Save it. So now see, now it is completely cool. Everything is done. That's the site. Now all is done, and now we will add the next one, which is this featured destination. Now we'll complete this thing. Okay, so I'll come here. After the section, I will go section dot features and h1 featured destinations. Okay, let me save it. Anyways, it's okay. And then I'll come to the features dot features, and then padding is 100 px 0, and h1 is text align is center, and padding bottom is 30 px. Okay, save it. Similarly, so this h1 I have done. Okay, so that's what is the spelling destinations. Okay, so features and h1 I have done. So features and so it is now fixed. Okay, so now the next thing is that we have to add the images. One sec. I will has the add the now we'll add the image and this pricing and all these things which we are going to have, which I have right there. So this cool image will be there and all these tricks will be there. Okay, so let's do it. And then after this dot container is there, and dot row, bootstrap row, and inside it call md4, and inside it again we are going to have dot feature box, and inside it again dot feature img. Now inside it I'm going to have this image src images 1.jpg I'll have, and one maybe I can give. Okay, so this is like this. So like this call md4. So we'll have two more so that we can have the bootstrap 12 column grid. So dot call MD4 like this. To I will have save it, and then this image, if I go here, this image will be shown very big. Okay, so like this it will be shown. So now it's time to fix the image. So let me go here, dot feature img and img like this. Width is 100%, feature image and width is 100%. Save it, and now it is showing perfectly. Okay, now font also we have already included. Now we'll have some prices thing also here. Okay, so if you can see this price thing which we are going to have, and this ratings also we are going to have. Okay, so let's have those in the index.html first. Feature image. Okay, img. Okay, inside this only, feature image only, we are going to have this feature image only dot price we are going to have, and then here p $78 like this, and then dot rating, and it is I dot far star like this. Two more 5 star, 3 4, well, five is there. So this one we will do O, so it will be sort of empty, and 5 star half O, it will be there. Save it, like it will be shown like this. Now it's time to, so this one is half and this one is fully empty. So now we will show it, and dot price, width is of, so this price we are taking this price, so we will make it very cool. Width is of 50 px, and height is of again 50 px, and background is like this, background hash ff5722, and then color is hash fff, and font weight is, no mama, that won't be possible, means this will become lesser if I give the tab sideways side. Okay, font weight is 600, this will become very small, and so I will show it after everything. Border radius is 50%, and padding is 10 px, and box shadow, I'm going to give a box shadow is 0 10 px, 1 px, RGBA 37 comma 73 comma 214 comma 0.18. Save it. So like this it is coming, like this round it is coming. Okay, now we have to position it. So let position it. Position is absolute. So we will now move it. Left is 20 px and bottom is minus 25 px. So position absolute just is a wonderful thing. We can move anything anywhere with this position absolute. Okay, so if I go, it is start moving. Okay, so it is not completely moved right now. Okay, so we have to move it much better. So feature, where is, yeah, this one I'll choose. Feature img. Position is relative. So the parent, actually parent, I should have made it earlier on it. So the parent is relative. This should have been made earlier because the price is the children. Okay, then I will do for this dot rating. Padding is 3px. Float is right. Background is hash fff and bottom is minus 1px. Right is 0 and position is absolute. And let me save it. See, now it has moved to the correct position and this is also in the correct position. So it is done. And let us do a bit more. So I will change the color to like this. It is like this. So this is how I am going to do for that. And dot features dot far, font size is 15px and color is hash ff5722. Save it. And now it is much better. Okay, much better. Now we want to have this also, subscribe to all these things. So for that, after this div which is the feature image, we'll have the feature detail also. So dot features details is there, and here h4 Los Angeles, and again let me self promote myself and have my thing again, have my, instead of Laura Mason, it's always better to self promote myself. Instead of that Los Angeles text, let me self promote myself and subscribe the web dev channel. And as you know, I have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Angular, career advice, everything I have. Please do subscribe to my channel as I'm moving towards 1000 subscriber, and it is very important for me to move to 1 subscriber, so I can produce videos like this, because I am doing my courses also. I'm a full-time trainer right now, so I have to concentrate there also, but I am doing a lot for this YouTube channel, so that anybody who wants to learn web app development, not website development, web app development, because I am mainly a React.js developer, and Angular tutorials are also there. But anyways, you should be very good in HTML, CSS, JavaScript also. So that is there. And so my thing is that if you want to become a developer, you can become a developer by seeing my channel also. Or if you want some support, I have every type of courses, from React.js bootcamp to HTML, through complete web app development bootcamp, starting from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Soon I will have some very small mini bootcamps also. I will soon declare those. Okay, for the people who are in a hurry. So this is there, Los Angeles and all. So it has moved up. Okay, so now we have to design it. Come here, dot feature details, and then padding is 20 px, and text align is justify, and again the feature detail h4, feature detail h4, this h4 Los Angeles, this I am giving. Font weight is 600, and margin top is 20 px. Save it, come back. It is now looking perfect. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to have similar type of more columns also, but before that I want to have these things also are, these things also I require. So let me do that here. Okay, so after this div I'm going to have a span. Inside the span there will be I dot fa map marker. Let me have everything like this only. Okay. Not like this. Dot fa map marker. So this is a very big trick. Don't try this at home. Okay, so like this, if I give, so, and I want it I don't know whether it will work or not. Wait a sec. Span 1 2 3. Oh, nothing worked. Okay, this is a very bad trick. Okay, I dot fa, let me give this sun. Oh, okay, so this is the trick, and the trick is, I think, right actually. So if I, yeah, like this span. So this, instead of typing all this in, I created like this, right like this. And the first one will be fa map marker, and it will be Los Angeles and fast sun will be, so this is, anyways, this is a travel site, so 4 days, and far this will be moon, and this will be 3 nights. save it. So it will come like this. So we are soon going to fix a lot of things here, but the thing is that let's have this same thing another in this also, call md4 and call md4, these things we will have here also. So let's do that. It will be exactly similar actually, nothing difference will be there. Okay, so for the first one let me have like this, and let me have for the second one also, and like this. Okay, and one thing, okay, the images are also different, image 1 2 and 3, but I'm not liking one thing here. Why every time it is, why every time I'm giving it Los Angeles? Let me give it New York, and give it New York, and California, California, save it. So it is coming like this, but a lot of issues are there. Okay, so a lot of issues are there because but why these issues are there, that is important thing. I must have missed something, or this issue should not have come actually. Okay, so I think it's time to debug then. So this happens when you copy paste these things. Okay, column d4 is like this. Okay, column d4 is like this. Okay, column d4 is like this. Okay, okay. One sec, let me give one more thing first. Okay, I will check, but first let me give for the feature box. Actually, we are going to have some boxes here. So this, see, these boxes are there. So we are going to have those boxes. So let me give a feature box and box shadow. Box shadow is 0 0 10 px 1 px RGBA 37 comma 73 comma 214 comma 0.18, and margin bottom is 30 px, save it. And if I go back, now also some issue is there and we have to find it out. Okay, okay, I think I got some issue. What is the difference between both of them? Okay, let me do one thing. Why I'm doing like this? Copy this, remove it. Maybe some class name is not okay. That will be the case. Okay, remove it, remove it. Now call md4 is like here, and call md row is here. So till here the md4 is there, so we will have two more. So Bootstrap is a 12 column system, so it is like this. Okay, 12, and save it, at least save it. Images and all we are going to change later on. Now it is coming perfect. I don't know what was the issue. Something might I have done wrong. First this there, then this is the second one. Okay, then I don't want, like every time it is New York. Let let it have free California, California. Save it. Now it is perfect. Okay, so yeah, I'm not liking this. Okay, this is very much close. I'm not liking this. Okay, so I will go here and so this is feature details and these are far. So I will go back here and dot feature details and dot far I'll do, and margin maybe right, margin right is 5 px. Save it. Okay, okay, it is I think it is moving this. This is what? Not feature details. Okay. Okay. 1 sec. Actually, we have to fix it because it is. I'm not liking it that much. There have to be a bit of thing. So why not target this span? It is feature detail. Anyways, it is not features detail. There is nothing inside the features detail. Okay, there is nothing inside it. Why I am targeting it like this? Or maybe it should be inside it. I don't know. Means or instead of feature details dot far, why can't I take a span dot far and margin left is 10 px, and let me see whether it is working. Yeah, it is working. So it moved. Yeah, margin left is 10 px and margin right means this small space here, so it is too much closed. So margin is right is 2 px. Save it. So like this it is done. Okay, so after that, now it is done. This is looking very good. Now the time is to make this traveling gallery section, this thing, and it has got this cool effect also, so we will create this. Okay, now so come back here. After this section, there is section dot gallery, and h1 is traveling gallery. Save it. Then go back here. Dot gallery is padding is 100 px 0, and background is hash e5 e5 e5. So the traveling alley and the background is a sort of gray color. So this has come. So now let us go back, and this in the index.html. After this traveling array, let have all those things which we always have in Bootstrap: container, and then dot row dot m dot call md3, like this, and then dot gallery box, and then img sarc images slash travel 1.jpg. So it is maybe travel, okay, h4 Los Angeles, save it. Now let me go. Okay, it is showing like this. Okay, traveling gallery of, anyways, it is not Los Angeles. I think this is somewhere in the France somewhere, but it's okay, let us call everything Los Angeles. Okay, so now this gallery box, there is an image inside this gallery box, so let us choose that gallery box img, and whenever image is there, we have to give a width 100% so that it is contained in the box. That is a very important thing which you all should know. Width is 100%. If at the moment I give width 100%, it will be contained in that box, which is md3, bootstrap md3. Okay, and then border radius is 16 px, and cursor is pointer, and transition is 1 sec. Okay, save it. 1 sec is very much. 0.6 is okay. 0.6 is okay. And let's give a hovering thing, image, and it is hover. I'm going to give, and this trick we have used earlier also, transform, and we'll use the scale trick. Okay, transform scale is 1.1. Save it, and like this, see, it is becoming bigger. Okay, now we have to give this for this gallery box h4, display is block, and color is fff, and text shadow is minus 2px 2px hash 000, and font weight is 600%, and position is absolute, top is 50% and left is 50% and transform translate is minus 50% comma minus 50%. Okay, save it. Gallery box, position is relative and margin bottom is 30 px. Okay, so now it is looking perfect, and see, this is also giving and Los Angeles is coming here. So we were changing the position of it. Okay, so now the same thing we are going to have more time is another 3 times, because it is MD3. So 3 for the 12, so we are going to have it more time. Okay, so div, it is okay like this. 1 2 3 4. So this is travel 1, this is travel 2. Let me make it New York, travel 3, California, and 4. I think another name is Hudson. Hudson is a name, I think. Okay, so now everything is coming perfect. Okay, actually this is Paris. Okay, so anyways, it is okay. So it is looking quite good. So another section is done. So we have done so much. See, we have done so much. Now another 2 sections are remaining actually. So as I've told, this is going to, this was going to, so this is a cool, another 3 sections are remain. This is a cool section, this is again a cooler section, and this is again very cool section. So again 3 more sections are remaining. So as I've told you, this is going to a very good, very big live streaming. Okay, and because this is a complete site, you can use it for anything. This is a very awesome site actually. Okay, you can use it for a client also. So that's why I wanted to give some big project also after giving some smaller projects. But daily I am doing this 100 days of code and 100 days of video challenge. Daily such much big projects are not possible, but so yeah, sometime I will give this much big projects. Okay, so section dot banner and dot banner high highlights and dot container dot row dot call md8. Okay, and then inside this there will be h2 get 30% on top destination p. So p, let me have this, such a big text. P, let me have this p like this. Okay, save it. And now we'll perform the anyways we will do the CSS first, because anyways it will be shown very, it will not be shown very good. So like this, so we have to fix it a lot of this thing. Okay, and then this section banner is there, dot banner, and height is 80 vertical height, And so we are going to have a very good effect. This effect is known as parallax effect. So this is a very cool effect. So going to have that background image is URL, and images, and banner 2 dot jpg. Background is background position is center, not center, it is only center. And background size is cover, and background attachment is fixed. Save it. Now let me go see, the background has been coming, but not everything is done. So let us do that. So for that we have to write some more css. So let's write some more css. And banner is, and then after this for this banner highlights also we have to do. So banner highlights will do. And let's have some padding top of 14%. Save it. Yeah. So now banner highlights padding is 70 px 0, and background is RGBA 0 comma 0 comma, I don't know, I want one extra 7. Okay. Text align is not left but center, and color is hash fff. Save it. Now see, it is looking much more better. So this highlights, this background thing is also there, and this is done. Okay, now we have to create a button also, book now button also we are going to create. Okay, so that is the thing which we are going to do, because this is call md8. So the next one will be call md4. Okay, so dot call md4 button dot booking btn book now type equal to button. Okay, save it. Now let us have the style for this booking button dot booking button, and width is 120 px, padding is 8 px 0, and outline is none, important, border is 2 px solid, fff, and border radius is 50 px, and background is transparent, and color is fff, and margin top is 20 px. Save it. And now the book now button is shown. No, this is not there. Okay, sorry. And the book now button is shown perfectly. So this is already created one. Okay, so we were anyways we were comparing from it. So now the thing which we are going to do is for the user feedback. So we have this, so this is also quite cool. So this one we are going to do user feedback. Okay, so for that section is there, section thought user feedback. H1 will be user review and dot container dot row dot call md4, and then already 1 hour of streaming is done. That's cool. As I was telling, it is not that much, but I think I will complete by 11. Yeah. Okay. Dot user review p. Let's have some p, and p again. I will self promote myself. Why not? I'm doing such a such a big stream. Why not self promote? Why have some travel thing there? Okay, so p again I will do. Subscribe to my channel again, guys. Please do subscribe to guys and girls. Please do subscribe to my channel. I want subscriber. I'm doing so much for you people. Please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, and h5 provide Shama, then small loss and less and g images user1.jpg and user. It is okay, it is user, because I'm going to copy paste this thing 2-3 times. Okay, so if I go back here, so it will be like this. Okay, so user review call md4 is there. So let me paste this call md4 two more times. So 1 2, as user review 1 2 New York to New York, California. I just remembered this California. I know a lot of cities name in the US, but California, that the song because of this Sweet Home California. The, so like this, user 3. Let me see how many of them are girls, because this is a boy named Pravil Sharma. Okay, so last one is a girl. Let's give her a girl name, Shamila Sharma. The second one is also a boy. Why not my name? Abindu Vishwas. Okay, so my name I have given. So, but yeah, this is all looking big and bad. Again, everything is the play of CSS. So we will go back to the CSS, and where is our user? Okay. Let us have a S also here, users feedback, because let us name it correctly, users feedback, like this. And then padding is 100 px 0. Save it. See, the padding only solves half of the issues. In most of the cases, padding solves half of the issues. Okay, so, and then this user review, which is again most of them are common. This user review dot user review, and text align is center, and box shadow, box shadow is 0 0 10 px 0 rgba 0 comma 0 comma 100 comma 0.2, and padding bottom is 50 px. So it is coming good. And then user review, this paragraph tag I'm going to target user review paragraph tag, and there will be a lot of padding all right all way around. Padding is of 50 px 10 px 10 px 10 px. Save it, and it is looking good. Now users feedback, I'm going to choose this users feedback. And now the main thing, the image we are going to fix. The image won't be that big, image like this, and width is of 60 px, height is of 60 px, border radius is of 50%, and position is relative, and margin is minus 30 px, 0 20 px, and 40 px. Save it, and now it is showing like this, and quite nice. The small image and at a correct place. So now we are going to have so this is, we have to shift it more. Okay, so user review p, the paragraph. So this p is this, subscribe to uh, whatever it is. Okay, user review p, user review p before I'm going to have, and content is backslash 201d, and display is block, position is absolute, font size is 100 px, and color is hash 649 fed, okay, like this. So what we are having this thing, okay, and font family is anything is okay, and left is 44%, and top is minus 20 px. Okay, save it, and it is coming out. But I think it will be much better if it is sans serif. Actually, it does matter. So see, it does matter, but this is not coming correctly. Some issue is there, so we have to move it a bit more. So instead of 40 px, why not 40%? Yeah, 42%, because my name is a bit bigger. 44 is much better. Yeah, now it is good. Now it is looking perfect. Now the thing is that we have to make the footer now. Now the last thing is remaining, which is the footer. As I was telling that it might get complete by 11. Yeah, it might get complete by 11. Okay. Okay. So like this, section dot footer dot container dot row. One sec, guys, my baby dog is making a big problem and chewing my things. Let me bring him out. So say hi to my baby dog Rocket. So he's making a bit of problem with the computer wires. So let him go. This happens when you have a baby dog and he's there. So he's now biting me. Okay, let me. Okay, we'll finish quickly. Anyways, it is okay. Dot row. Dot call md3 and we will have a image dot footer dash logo. Okay, so the class will be like this: images, and the same thing that trip log dot png I will do, and let me give it logo. Okay, and then p, again a bit of self promotion. Instead of giving the travels thing name, why not give my name? I can. So these self promotions are required, and guys, see, it is still, guys and girls, it is around 1.5 hour of streaming I am doing. So why are you not hitting the subscribe button or liking this video? Please do like this video so that it can reach to more people. Liking a live stream make it reach to more people. Okay, so do it right now. Okay, so this I have done triple dot and footer logo, and then here md3 is there, and then again dot call md3 h4 features is there, and p deals and offers, and p customer reviews, and p cancellation policy is there. Then After this, so another two call md3 I will have. Okay, like this, and another one. We're soon going to fill it. Okay, so now let's start the footer with this dot footer, and then padding is of 100 px, and not like this. As I've told, this tablet something does a lot of mischief to me. Background image is linear gradient hash 2d557d comma hash 9610fd, and color is hash fff, like this. So it is looking quite good with this linear gradient thing. So now fix the rest of the thing. Footer logo, we'll do this footer logo first. Footer logo, and width is of 150 px, and margin top is of 15 px, and margin bottom is of 15 px, and save it. And this h4 we are going to do. So let me show how it is looking. So see, it is looking quite good now. Okay, footer logo is looking quite good, and footer h4 text align is left, and margin top is 15 px, and margin bottom is 25 px, and dot footer p font size is 12 px, and text align is justify, and padding right is 35 px. Okay, save it. Okay, so see, now it is taking thing is there. Okay, so now two more thing which we need to do is something is remaining here. This md3 and md3 we have to do. Okay, so let us do that here. h4 quick contact is there, and h4 for follow us on is there. P into 3, then inside it I dot far Facebook dash official, and like this I have to do. Okay, so in this Facebook, anyways, this is all of them will not be Facebook. This is YouTube, and this is Twitter. Yeah, Twitter, and it is YouTube Play, and far Twitter. It is still, and quick contact also I need to have. Okay, so again, let me do one thing. Quick contact also, let me copy this thing because this is quite similar. This quick contact thing is also quite similar. Far phone square hash 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Envelope, think hello at gmail.com. Far home. Okay, or let me do one thing. Okay, it's okay. I was thinking XYZ Road, New York is there. Save it. Okay, after this, call MD3, and after this, let us have a horizontal row, and okay, horizontal row, it's okay, not having this much. Okay, why not this much? Where is my row ending? Actually, row is ending here. Okay, so after this I will have a horizontal row, and p dot copy right made with love by TWD. Save it. So it is looking like this. A lot of things we need to fix, so we will fix that. And let me come back here, and let us fix those things. Okay, so footer dot row dot far, and padding right is of 20 px, and font size is of 15 px. Okay, dot footer hr, margin top is of 10 px, and background is of hash efe. Yeah, this one, ef, this one, yeah, this one, which we already have used, so that's why it is giving me. And then this let's give this far heart a bit of different color. We'll give dot far heart, margin is of 0, 5px, and color is of hash f44336. Let it be the right name. Footer dot copyright, and text align is center. Okay, so now it is perfect. So this completes our complete such a large site, and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please do subscribe to my channel so that I can have something like this. This is a 1.5 hours stream, so I have created for you guys only. So such a cool site. You can use it in some with some real clients. So do please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn web development, I have many web development courses, so you can check them out. Those courses, you can check them out. The description will be there down. So I have React.js bootcamp, full web app development bootcamp from the starting I have. So all those things I have, so do please check them. And with this I will end this stream. This was a very big stream, but I loved making it. So thank you, and I will see you tomorrow again, because as you know, I am doing 100 days of video.